Great value this. Range Rover Sport, if you want a petrol, P400 3-litre petrol engine. Santorini black, cloud interior, 22-inch wheels, full black exterior pack, sliding sunroof, electric Towbar as well. On a 73 plate, so the car's got 12 months Land Rover warranty remaining. The price, £71,990. This car, 2 years ago, was well over £100,000 when it was new. Great buy for someone, and we don't get many petrols. That's also pretty unique. We get so many D300 diesels, but this is a P400 petrol, and there's lots of customers and clients out there who want the petrol engine. Black exterior pack, it's a dynamic SE, so you've got the dynamic bumpers, but you can see they've all been de-chromed. Upgraded 22-inch wheels, split spoke there, finished in gloss black, sliding sunroof, privacy glass, the right interior cloud, which just works great with the exterior when it's in Santorini black. Into the rear, dynamic rear bumper. You can see we've got an electric deployable tow bar. If you don't need the tow bar and you're not using it, it's all electric. Press the button and it tucks away like that. Big boot space. As you can see, you've also got a rubber mat in there as well, so the boot space is massive. All seats are electric, so if you need to drop them seats down, they drop down. And also, one thing I will point out, because the car's a petrol, if you look at the exhaust system at the back, it looks a lot more sporty. You only get that exhaust system where it's split like that on the petrols or on the hybrids. The diesels, they don't look like that, and it looks so much better. Starting the back first, obviously part of the Sport, you've got these lovely handles what come out like that, and then you've got this beautiful interior Meridian Sound system, rear heated seats, but then you've got the cloud, the Ebony and the cloud. The roof lining is all in Ebony as well, which works really, really well. And then as we climb into the front, again, conditions lovely. Memory heated electric seat, heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, and this car's a facelift model, which again is very important. So you can see this is the first, 73s when they first brought the facelift model out. So you've got the no dials under here, all your climate control is all adjustable from the sides, there's no dials underneath. That's a wireless charging pad there. So all your seats can be adjusted, as you can see, your heated seats. Into the main menu, camera system, again, full surround 3D camera system, and you've got tow and assist with the car having electric deployable tow bar. And then you've got all your other features, your wireless Apple CarPlay, Alexa, Bluetooth, multimedia. Big one, tilt and sliding sunroof. That is a paid for option. So the car's got sliding sunroof, it's got black pack, it's got a tow bar, the best interior, it's a petrol, and it's priced at £71,990. It's going to sell. Give me a call if you want to get it reserved. It's going live on all our platforms. Thank you for watching.